there, Tavir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Daily market recap. Like, subscribe, and let's see what Spy and Friends brought us today. Stock market daily recap, February 12, 2024. Price section non-existing, as you can see on the daily. Doji, zoom in, and you can clearly see not much of a price section. Basically moving sideways. Try to break up and above, and then slowly ground back down. Now we are waiting for CPI coming up tomorrow, Tuesday, February 13, 8:30 a.m. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? How the market will react to the CPI numbers? And once again, it doesn't even matter what we think about the CPI numbers, whether they are good or not. All the matter is how the market, SPY, Qs, Dow Jones, IWM, and the rest of the market will react to those numbers. QQQ also end up with a doji. This is how it looks on the daily. 431 now needs to hold the support, as you can see, Fibonacci level, together with the green line, which is our stop loss line. Below it, 425, the yellow zone will get retested once again. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view price section. And as you can see, the FTI version 5 works on any time frame, on anything that you want to trade. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. We had sideways move, then inside the yellow zone we got ourselves a sell signal. For those who don't know, this is the Fibonacci Traders Discord. We have trading floor, we have premium room, which is dedicated for day trading. We have exclusive swing lounge, which is basically for swings. We have options, we have crypto miners, we have general chat, we have the special FTI channel. Now, new FTI signals. It's not my signals, this is the FTI. This is a channel for swing alerts from the FTI at its current version 5. Of course, you always have to have a trading plan and you always have to do your own due diligence, but this is a new channel. Buy, sell signals with stop loss only according to the FTI. So if you want to join us, you're more than welcome. We have the links in the description below and in the first comment. Dow Jones 0.3% to the upside, but sideways move on the Dow Jones. Super tight price section in the past few days. 385 now is the support, 389 is the resistance. Let's see, and you can see that the prediction for now for FTI version 5 predicts price goes up. IWM 1.8% to the upside, broke above, ran away from the 187, ran away from this danger yellow zone. Now let's see continuation above the 204, and then we will have 208, 213 and 220 to the upside. Also here, FTI version 5 still is predicting uptrend until proven otherwise. Magnificent 7s ETF, MAGS, MAGS 3785 is the resistance. We have the 3680 as the support, and if we are already long on the Magnificent 7 ETF, we have our green line that signals that this should be our stop loss. So one click away, we have everything on one chart. One click away, we have Fibonacci levels, future Fibonacci levels, we have trend lines, we have this prediction where price might be heading next, we have buy, sell signals, we have stop loss. So we do not have to think. All we need to do is just put the FTI version 5, version 6 coming hopefully by the end of this week. More accurate levels, more accurate prediction for future price action. For now, we are holding around 80-85% accuracy on any time frame, whether we go short or long on any time frame. 80-85% accuracy, ladies and gentlemen. There is no other tool out there like this. None. Bitcoin grinding up now at a 50. We said breaking above the 46 area, above the yellow zone, we will go 50. You're more than welcome to check last week's videos. Next is the 53 and the 57. And as we can see, prediction from the FTI version 5, uptrend until proven otherwise, 57, and then the upper level of this uptrend channel, 68 to the upside. And Bitcoin, let me know in the comments below when and if we will see 68 on Bitcoin. Ethereum also very nice breakout and above the yellow zone. And as you can see, we are above a buy signal, we are above the yellow zone, we're above the green line. Cryptoland has woken. KRE still below this channel, inside the yellow zone, the non-trading zone, super dangerous zone. We got ourselves a buy signal. It doesn't mean that we need to go long. It just means that if we were short, so now it's time to manage our risk, manage our short position on KRE much more carefully. And this is the great thing about the FTI version 5. It also helps us to manage positions. Natural gas continues sliding down. Crude oil futures, we got ourselves a sell signal a few days back once price broke up above and out this yellow zone. Now let's see the yellow zone holding as support. Next will be the 79, and as you can see, I have my alert. Go long on crude oil above the 79.30. Gold just moving sideways, nothing much. This is why we get mixed signals from the FTI, buy, sell, but we also have the yellow zone that helps us to identify the trend. And for now, we are below the yellow zone, so nothing much on gold. FTI works on everything: commodities, stocks, ETFs, futures, forex, crypto, and of course also on the SOXX. On any time frame, anything that you want to trade on any time frame, all you need to do is the FTI version 5, one click away. Where the SOXX might be heading next. We are in an uptrend channel. We got ourselves a doji, not surprising, because the SOXX, same as the rest of the market, is waiting for CPI numbers. Bad reaction, and we will see 605 and 595 back inside the yellow zone. Good reaction, and we will see continuation inside this prediction towards the 700 area. By the way, before we talk about Apple, all I ask, 1 second of your time, click the like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss every day 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, pre-market preparations where we prepare for the next trading day. Apple still inside the yellow zone. Once price is inside the yellow zone on any time frame, it doesn't matter what you trade, what time frame, once you see price inside the yellow zone, you know this is a no trading zone. Meta also moving sideways, doji after doji. 560 is holding, 585 is the resistance. Overall prediction from the FTI still north, breaking below the 555. 557. We will see 535 to the downside, and then this gap getting filled. Good reaction from the CPI, and we are heading north towards the 520 and 565. Microsoft gave back Friday's gains. Overall, what do we see? Uptrend, above yellow zone, above a buy signal, above the green line. We are in an uptrend until proven otherwise. All we need to do is ask ourselves, what if? What if break above the 420? We have the 430 and 443. Breaking below the 413, we will see 407 and 398. It's that simple. You just need to know. One click away, and then you have the best translator for the market's language. The market language is candles, candlestick analysis, and this is the best from my point of view, in my opinion, the best translator for this language of price action. AMD holding above the yellow zone, still inside this uptrend channel. If we want to go long on AMD, in my opinion, only 2-3 days above the 177, and then we will continue towards the 195 and 210. Let me know, what do you think about AMD, where AMD is going before Nvidia's earnings? We will talk about Nvidia in just few seconds. Stay with me, don't go anywhere. It's getting interested. Shopify holding above the 88, holding above the yellow zone, holding above the green line. We might get some kind of a pullback. Retesting this yellow zone, the 85 area as support before the next leg up, and then we have 95 and 101 to the upside. Nvidia, of course, is next. Doji inside a very tight uptrend channel, but you see the FTI, how it works. For now, we are heading north. February 21st, next week, Nvidia's earnings. Can we get 800 by then? Maybe 871. Let me know. All you have to do, follow price, follow the FTI signals, and that's it. You have everything. Tesla, another day, 2.8% to the downside. If you hope that this will give you some kind of a bounce, we have talked about we need 2-3 days above the 193 area, and only then we will take our long position towards the 206, closing this gap. Until then, what the FTI is telling us, we are still under a very strong sell pressure. We are still below the yellow zone. As you can see, the yellow zone from support to resistance. The most important zone of support and resistance of the FTI version 5 is the yellow zone. Google, inside candle, holding nice above the yellow zone. Now let's see tomorrow post CPI numbers. Can we close this gap at the 151? And continuation towards the 154 and 157. Last but not least, Amazon grinding up slowly. We have this channel, the FTI prediction channel, uptrend until proven otherwise, holding nice above the yellow zone. We do have here this gap, and we know it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when this gap will get filled. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next year. No one knows. All we need to do is follow price, listen to the market. This is the only thing we need to listen to. Market. All the rest is noise. And, of course, we have the FTI version 5. Helps us to translate market's language. So I hope you found this video helpful with all this wind surrounding us here in Thailand, Koh Phangan. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. We are going live every day, 8:30 a.m., preparing for the next trading day. Until then, stay safe.